Today we are making grilled cheese and tomato soup with a side of vegetables. First off, you're going to want to take your bread right here and take the butter and put it on one side of the bread. Thank you. Thin layer of butter. And take your bread, turn the stove on, take your bread and put it in the pan safely. You take your cheese and you put it on a piece of bread and take your other piece of bread that's buttered and put it on top. And then you wait for it to cook. Now, to make tomato soup, I open the can. Once you're done opening the can, if I can open it. Okay, once you are done, you take the tomato soup, pour it in a bowl, like so. And then you take milk, like here, and it's not all milk, but it's fine. You pour it into the can. Swish it around to get that excess tomato soup in the inside of the can. Pour it. But it didn't really work. Didn't really get it. You want to pour milk. What? You want to pour the milk in the can a couple of times to get that excess tomato soup. Stir it around. Get the excess, and then pour it into the bowl. And then you want to take your whisk and whisk it till it's fully mixed. Once this is done, you can let it sit, and we're going to take our vegetables and cut them. Once you're done cutting your carrots, you can take your cucumber, wash it, please. Take your cucumber and cut it. There we go. You have to, after you're done cutting your carrots, you're gonna want to wash it if you haven't already. And then you want a small plate from cover. There we go. Check on your grilled cheese. I like mine golden brown, so I have to wait a little bit. And once that's cooking, you take your tomato soup, which should already be mixed, and you put it in the microwave for a minute. There we go. When it's done microwaving, you want to whisk it. And there you go. And now, when one side of your grilled cheese is done, you want to flip it over and wait. You pour your tomato soup. There we go. and a spoon. And voila, you're done. Also have your vegetables. Delicious.